ये भाई कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, sorry.
Right.
I'm center. Who's center?
I'm right.
Aisha, I'm right.
right.
Center.
मैम यहाँ पे
Aisha जी center.
एक मीटिंग
Ma'am here.
यहाँ पे राइट. मैम यहाँ पे सेंटर. मैम.
Ritual.
Your chairs are please.
ये होगा तो
करण सर यहाँ पर.
Release खत्म हुआ, बंद हुआ, we were like, oh God, where are we going to hang out now? Because it was our favorite place. So I'm very excited कि खुला है, and it's a place for all of us to hang out at every day. So it's a really fun, exciting day for us. Yeah.
Which has been your favorite joint so far? Where do you chill? In which cafe do you chill?
Well, honestly, really honestly, our own places, because it really feels like home, and it feels private somehow. So I really was quite sad. We were a lot of friends even that I know were like, oh God, it's our everyday hangout. So now I'm glad I'll be here all the time. I mean, yeah, this is my favorite place.
When are you coming back in films, Aisha?
Well, my son is now 2, so I finally have some time to breathe. I mean, when you're a new mom, there's a lot of work all the time, and so now that I have the time, I'll get back to it.
Okay, any of your favorite dishes from cafe would you like to?
Well, a lot of things are my favorite. I think anything that's vegan, because I'm vegan, so maybe like the couscous salad or something would be a favorite.
What is the most specialty in this cafe, if you want to share?
Well, I think the food is genuinely fantastic. I think that would keep any place loved, and people would really keep going back. I think it's important if you're going for food, it should be really good. And then ambience is really homey. No one's telling someone to leave, ki jaldi nikal jao abhi, and throwing a bill in your face. I think the homey ambience and delicious food always just keeps people coming.
Any special friends from Bollywood you would like to invite?
Well, everybody is welcome, and a lot of people from the fraternity, from all industries, business and films, come here all the time, and it's good that people really enjoy the place, and it's at that standard where people who have so much exposure and are well travelled really love to come. So everyone's most welcome.
आयशा, इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि शायद सलमान खान इस साल शादी कर पाए, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Sorry?
Is it expected कि सलमान खान इस
Please
इस
don't
साल
ask me
शादी
that.
कर पाए, तो what do you want to say about it?
मैं फूडी हूँ, मैं अपना ही नाम दे देती हूँ.
आपने काम किया कोई इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कोई?
मुझे याद नहीं है, but I think I'm definitely a foodie.
To start such a magnificent cafe?
फरहान का पहले से ही ब्रांड है. It's always been there, Basilico, Cafe Basilico, and it's obviously this is a merge. It's more eco-friendly. There's a beautiful green eco wall, and we have organic food. There's vegan food because I've been a vegan for the past 6 years, as well as obviously signature dishes from the past. So Farhan has always been doing this, and I'm just glad to be able to be part of this journey, and in whatever way I can. So it's really great. This one is long awaited, and it's looking fabulous. So we're very excited.
You must have traveled all the world, I mean many countries. So how do you compare when you compare the nightlife of Mumbai and other parts?
Definitely being well traveled really inspires you, even when you open a place and new restaurant, and it really, even my husband and I, we take inspiration and ideas and all our memories that we've had to start our place. Definitely there are a lot of new places popping up all over the city, and that's a really good thing. I think having that buzz and places for people to go is very important. So I think, yeah, it's great.
How was communicating all Bollywood celebrity after a long time?
It was very nice. I mean, it was really warm and lovely, and we really appreciate everyone that came and showed their love and excitement, and was present here for us and for the place today. So we really are thankful.
Had you any plan to come up again on screen?
Yes, definitely. Now my son is 2, so maybe now I have the time.
Thank you.
All right.
Ma'am, can we have one idea